Room. Ang ganda niya. Ito naman yung bathroom. Ang ganda guys. Wow. Wow. So ito yung next room. Let's open the lights. So that's one room here. Wow, may bathtub. May bathtub. Ang ganda. There's another room here. Maliliit lang yung room niya. Ang ganda, daddy. So, meron din siyang cabinets.